Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creation is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around Philadelphia. I do full service, partial, custom, month of coordinations. I do flowers. I am a master certified wedding planner and a certified florist. I have many years of experience in the wedding industry. I love what I do. It's a passion of mine. One of the things that I love is that I can make lasting memories in people's life, that I can change their life for the better. Having a bride walk into her ceremony space or having it tell me how great of the wedding it was or how great of a planner or decor that I did is a joy of what I do. So today I'm just gonna jump right into it. I did a video yesterday about hairstyle for a wedding, and I got a lot of feedback and I got a lot of DMs and questions to just tap into a little bit more. So today I'm gonna do um, the top, if I can finish order the way, the top 23 beautiful hairstyles that my black sister can rock on the wedding day. Because they give me a lot of questions. Okay, so what are some of the things you can do for natural hair, or what do you got, a wig, a cap, or anything? So I'm gonna go just jump right into it. And I understand the hair struggle because being a black woman, trust me, we go through a lot of things. There's different hair types and different texture, there's different styles. We are beautiful in our own right. Where we can rock our hair, we have that versatile that we can rock anything and it looks great. So I'm talking to my sister today, so we're gonna do another videos for to talk about different hair texture, but today I'm going to talk to my sister. So I want you guys to pay key because you guys send me a lot of questions, a lot of DMs. So I'm just going to go forward with it. Okay, so one thing for all my sister that rocks the natural locks, like from your locks, if you're growing your locks or your drags and everything, and your hair is beautiful. You don't have to worry about, like, oh my god, what hair can I rock to make it sexy. You can do a side paint up with your locks. You can make it look really nice, and you can have it flowing to the front. I know you can still, you can put it up, you can put it down, but you can pin it up. You don't have to put too much accessory because your hair is naturally beautiful anyway, especially when it's like, shoulder length or neckline when you're just in the beginning stages. You can pin it to the side, have it looking, you can rock it, and they look beautiful. That look. And then for my sister, whether it's your natural hair, whether it's if you're rocking your wig or weave your your three-piece bundle or whatever it is that you're rocking, you can do those long, very like middle part with the long fringes into it, and it already look beautiful with the little curves all the way coming down, and it just in the center and just flowing. You can choose to put a hairband on it, you can choose to knot and just have it go where it can actually show your face. It's not too much in it. It give it that classy look. It give it that extra day glam and everything. So that's another option you can do. And then also, if you want to switch it up a little bit on people, you can do the low camera bun with, you can rock it up with a like a pearl band, especially if your dress have a lot of pearls and a lot of things. So even like a lot of sorts of with your earrings on it to kind of make it so it can just be something low in the back, and it can even be part in the center, just kind of swoop to this like both side and low bun. Those will look really nice that you can rock it, and it as a one to two is versatile. And even if you're changing your outfit during the ceremony, it's easy for you to just switch back and forth. And then we cannot forget, the sculptural hairband where you got the hair part with clear and just flow in the back, and you have the giant piece of hairband just sitting to the side. Whatever you like your hair to rock it on the left, to rock it on the right, you just have those giant piece. It can be floral, it can be full, whatever it is. Just have it cup to the side with your hair just flowing to the back. I think those always look beautiful, especially when you are wearing, your mermaid dress or maybe something flowy like, and you kind of have that wavy curl. You can have that body wave, that deep wave, to just have that natural hair. If your hair is natural curly, you can do that just the same. And don't forget my high ponytail is in style right now. Everyone and everywhere, and the mama is rocking a ponytail. So you can, ponytail never go out of style. I always loved it because I feel like it lifts the face up. It gives you, shows you every detail and everything. And you can rock it, your ponytail as high as you want it. It's chic, it's classy, it's sexy. And you can also dress it up, with your bands a little jewelry to the side, a little flower to the side, and your veil can still show your hair. So you can add a lot of things to it with your high ponytail, and that way, even if you take your veil off, your hair is still slave for the goddess. So just go ahead, do you. There's a lot of things, and then also we got the side swoop, where you got a little side coming to the side. And I'm going this way because that's where I like my hair, right? I like my hair parted to the right. I'm left it. So if you're saying go into this way, it's just a natural thing for me, okay? So you can have it to the side. You can wrap it around with floral in the back, or you can, put a band, a low band, different style design, something crown like, something floral like. You can put, especially when you're wearing a dress that's open in the back, that kind of scope all the way down. It's perfect for that long night where you just don't want something in your face, and you just want a little bit to show, to cover the face a little bit, but you don't want too much. Because mind you, think about it, you're gonna be going a lot. You don't want too much things in your face where you just be going every day. Is going, when it's hot, things start flying all over the place, and nobody got time for that. So, and there we go. And then don't forget about our curler for my sisters that got that natural curl, in their hair. Or even if you're rocking a wig that got a curl, honey. Because some days you just need those curls to kind of get it going. You can do a natural curl where it's just fully wet. And you can even add little juice in there here and there to kind of accentuate, or put a little to the side, a little on your face, and just pin it up and kind of have, like a little, you know, things going on down. It looks nice. So and give it that, that natural curve that you have. Like I said, we can rock any wig. We can rock your natural hair, whatever kind of curl it gives it. So it shows sophisticated. It's so slay. You can slay for the God says, be you, do you. Okay, like I said, anytime you buy a wig, it's yours. You pay for it. That's your money. Rock it the way you want to. And then let not just forget the low loose down ponytail, where you kind of have those French braid kind of going down. You can braid it up and little, just have a little thing dripping to this, the front of both sides. It can be one side, and just have your ponytail slow down, kind of braid it nicely in the French braid. Or you can just do it by itself, a low ponytail, kind of make it just know that. And you can top it over your accessories, especially, it can be your little diamond studs, your gold earrings. You can have anything to make it look glamorous. We all know those French braids, they're always popping, especially when somebody really know how to do it. It is off the hook, so don't get it twisted. Okay. And then for them, we got the curly ponytail, so especially when you have, like I said, for my sis that got the curls, you can, the Mayway ponytail don't have to be high, don't have to be low. Where your curls, you put in a little bun, and then all that beautiful luxurious curls just flowing down. It just says, oh, look at me. It give it that big dramatic, especially when you have that take curve, and it just give it that big dramatic look where it just look like, oh my God, you are bouncing and just going off. You can definitely do that, rock that. And then also we have the sophisticated twist, where you can do a flat twist on your hair and just kind of make it just stand out. Like I said, this is for all type of hair. If you have that, for the summer month where it's hot and everything, you can rock your hair any kind of way you want it to be. Don't let anybody think like, oh my God, because I got certain things, I may not be able to do my hair. There's a lot of style. There's a lot of, you don't always have to go with what everybody think it is. I'm just helping you guys to show you there's a lot of option on there. And then you can also do the modeling twist, where you just have the hair just laying straight down, straight. Who don't like a straight hair, especially when this straight pressed it? Oh my God, and it's silky, honey. It's is everything. You can have that hair just look beautiful how you want it to be, and you can just walk in there and just stun it. So it's not only about the dress, from hair to toe. You should slay on your wedding day. Don't go cheap on anything, from your nails, your hair, your makeup. Everything need to be on point, because it's about you and nothing else. And then, we got the little natural puff for my girls who got the nice, you want to do your fro, you want to do your puff, you can part it to the side, you can part it in the middle, and don't forget your little accessory to add onto it. So if you're just wearing your hair free and wild, you always want to add a little bit of accessory to it to kind of make it go, really great. And then we got the, the Lowe's face ponytail, where it's curly and it's flaming. And then on top of that, don't forget that wavy bob. Bob, you is, so you got those wavy bobs where you can use it and just make it look as beautiful as you want it to. Especially when you got a stylist who know what they're doing, it's definitely on point. And then we also got that think about it, you got the one shoulder curls, one to the rest of the back, the right to the side. You can definitely do that. And the last thing but not the least, we're going to talk about, well, maybe I can squeeze a little one in there, and I'll just try to speed it up and go. You got that dramatic hairpiece, that statement piece where no matter how you wear your hair, whether it's straight, whether it's curly, that statement where it just beak and go. You can be in the back, beautiful, in the front, that just cover half of your hair. That statement, when they look at it, be like, oh my gosh, she came to slay and not to play. And then, for the sister with the locks too, you can put your giant bun up with your curls and have it like, lock up really good straight, and make sure it's wash and clean. We don't want a dirty hairstyle. Make sure everything, like, go ahead. Don't go to a hairstyle that talking about, oh, come to your hair should be washed and shampooed. No, if I'm going to a stylist and I'm paying you for my money, you better wash and style my hair. I don't care who you are. If not, I'll go to a salon. I'll go to a stylist who take care of all that, because that's all of the whole part of the process. And then on top of that, we're gonna go behind the ear wave. We got that behind the ear wave and everything. And then for my natural sister, the Mother Earth sister, you can put your big old flower crown in there to go ahead and have those things, just looking beautiful. And then you got the cascading curls where they just go down, and then you have those voluptuous bun where the hair is volume. They just go in from terror. And we got the curly up too. We got the floral finish where you can put the floral in the back of your bun. You know, so that is all today. I know I went over the minute, but I got a lot of feedback from there. A lot of people was coming and say, okay, well, don't forget the natural sister. Don't forget the sister. As the black woman, I want to make sure that this platform is for all women, and to make sure that everybody get the option that they need. But at the same time, I am an African American woman, so in the end, I am not gonna do everything that I can to make sure that my sister, that I don't leave you guys up. So I'm gonna do a lot of things in general to cater to everyone in every race and every color, because I love everyone. I want everyone to be who you are, but I still have to represent for my sister. It's just, So thank you for sending all this information. As I said, please, it doesn't matter who you are, what color, what race. If you need me to speak about something that is pertaining to something that you have question about, please send it. The more information that I get, the better I can go ahead and talk about it. So I don't just talk about things in general. So keep on sending your question, keep on asking. You can reach me at lyndaperfect.creationseven.com, events.com, sorry. And you can also reach me on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. So send your information and send your requests, and I will definitely talk about it. But once again, thank you for watching. I hope this was informative and hope you guys. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye.